Hey guys, come to the airport with me to fly to Las Vegas. So it's just me and my sister going, and we're both under 18, so we had to go through the kids thing and then we had to check in all of our bags because I'm not trying to carry them on the plane. And then we went to the USO, which is literally the best place ever for military people. If you're military and you haven't been here, you need to. And then I had to dump out all my water so we could go through security, and here's my sister making us take 100 photos with our tickets. They weren't even that cute, I don't know. But anyways, here's me. Do you guys think my airport outfit was cute? And then we finally got into the plane. And of course, I was sitting by the window seat because it's literally my favorite seat. I love watching the plane take off. One thing I don't like about traveling without my parents is we have to sit next to a random person, which it's not like they were bad or anything, but it's just, I don't know. And then guys, here's my Snackle box. Literally so good. You need to make these if you're going on a plane. It's so good. And some people will say I don't know, you can't bring that through security, but they literally don't care if you bring food, so don't worry. And I look kind of creepy in this, but here's me big backing on the plane. And the one thing about Vegas is it's really awkward once you get there because it's just desert for miles, and then you finally get there and you see a huge city. And guys, the turbulence was so bad, and the person next to us was just sleeping through the whole thing, but guys, it was so bad. It was literally crazy. We finally landed and I ran to the bathroom because airplane bathrooms are so scary, but I had to find my grandpa and we had to pick up our bag. But you best believe I jumped right into the pool as soon as I got to his house because I love this weather so much. But anyways, I love you guys so much. Bye.